We're studying the larynx model, and we're doing a mock practical to try to get ready for a quiz or a test on the material. And so I have a couple of questions on this picture. We're looking from the top down at this model. This flap covers over the windpipe when you swallow. Keeps you from aspirating stuff down in your lungs. So in the comments below, number 9, tell me what is the name of that flap. And then 10 has a darling thought behind it. When you come through the door and someone hears your voice, it's only you. Yes, they're home. We love them so much. The tension on these parts of the larynx are what contribute heavily to your voice. And what are they called? There are other parts of your anatomy that contribute to how you sound, but I'm specifically asking you these parts that have tension that is controlled by the arytenoid and corniculate cartilages. What are these features called?